He just wanted to go play. And this is what Jake does in the snow. He found a stick in the snow, so he's got to eat it. Come on. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Get that stick. Come on. Come on. Come on. If I could reach over there, he'd be gone. Trying to... This is my dog. Crazy Jake. Loves the snow. He's trying to get the tree. Alright, we all know what he's going to do to the tree. Alright, Jake, come on. I have a feeling we're getting more than what they said because we have what they said that we were going to get, and it's not supposed to stop till tomorrow. So we'll see.